nice and quick dropper loop. So you'll go, maybe allow 3 inches. You can go longer, you can go shorter, whatever you prefer. I'm just gonna go about 3 inches. So you got your dropper loop here, and you're just gonna basically be doing overhand knots, but you'll do 3 of them before you tighten it. So there's my 3rd one. So now I'll hold on to the end of this dropper loop here, and I'll use my index finger and my right hand here to pull tight. And I'm using my index finger just so that the knot allows the 3 or 4 inches to stay. Otherwise, if you didn't hold it, this knot would actually end up over here, and we didn't want that. So there's the dropper loop, but now we're actually going to create a T-knot, so that's it look a lot neater and nicer, but it actually reinforces it. So you can see that I'm pinching down on both ends. You'll create a loop just like that. And now what you'll do, you'll actually just start twisting the ends together. When you start twisting, you'll see that both thumbs and both index fingers, they actually create a little loop on top. Make sure you keep that loop, and you can twist it about 6 or 7 times. You can go more, you can go less, whatever you want. So now that you have that loop, you're going to take your dropper loop and you're going to feed it now through that top loop. Just feed it through like so. All right, now that it's fed through, we'll pull on both ends, tighten it up, and there you go. That is how you make the T-knot dropper loop. Now, what I like to do on all of my surf fishing, I like to do like 2 or 3 of these guys on the line. Obviously, put your sinker on the bottom of the line and attach your hook. This is not necessarily the hook that I would use for surf fishing, but just for the demonstration, this is the hook that I have available. So just like that. So that's how I would have tied. So you could see if you have 2 or 3 of those guys on a line, maybe hook up some shrimp, some squid, some sand crabs, you'd get eaten pretty quick. And there you go. That's how I do my T-knot. Nice and tight.